Alright guys, welcome back to I Tried My Best Handyman. And today we are fixing the garage door opener. Autumn broke it while I was at work. What happened was the little spindle, drive gear and everything just snapped. Old age, I guess, or wore out. Alright, so there's the old part. And right there, it just ate up and wore itself out. Then, you go on Amazon for 17 bucks, you pretty much get all the stuff you need to rebuild all the drive mechanism of a garage door opener. Come on up here and you see got your drive gear, which doesn't look bad, so I'm probably not going to mess with it because I don't feel like taking all that crap apart. But we can at least change out all the bushings and get everything fresh. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and change out that worm gear. So to get all that crap down, to remove those bolts, to unmount the motor from the bracket. And this little guy comes off. I don't know what the hell it does, but it comes off. Alright, guess I'll start up. I'm going to take this little retaining collar off. I'll get all that crap off and I'll show you what I got once it's all off. Alright. Get our little Allen wrench. Oh, and the wrong size. Alright. So next, we'll loosen up all these little guys, and that will get to where I can get that motor off. And of course, everything's hard to get to. Alright, I gotta put this thing down so I can work. Alright. Cool, found a mount that works. Alright, so I got all my bolts out right now. So I should be able to just slide the motor out, knock this little sleeve out right here, and then I can pull off one of the main drive gears. That's, hopefully it works without breaking more crap. Alright, there we go. Just a little taparooski. Yep. Crap. Stupid bushings. Hold one. Alright. And there's the motor out. Now I'll get ready to clean it all up and swap out the gears. Alright. We got the old gear off. Let's put some lube on it. Everything's better with lube. Right. All we do is slide our new one on. Put a bunch of lube there, that little collar. got our little collar right here. Go ahead and get it lubed up. That goes in like so. Now we can put our motor back up in there. Crap. Alright. Let me find that bushing. Crap. Alright. So got our bushings back in. Now we got to put our little washers and crap. And our little collar. That obviously is too damn small. So I need to find the one I dropped. I'll be back. Alright. Found it. So, alright, next step is to put this back in place. But to do that, so it fits around the worm gears, you got to take this little guy off. And all you do is push right here, and that slides off, and then that bottom gear comes off. And then come in through your top, and that'll slide into there. Alright. And then we just wiggle our little gear back up in there. Like so. Put our clip back in. I can find the hole. Alright, now our worm gear is back in place, and this bottom gear is what works on these little contacts as it moves, so it knows where to stop on the up and down stroke. Alright, I'll get it all bolted together and then we'll get it fired up and see if it works. See what we got. Alright, things in there working, and there she goes. Alright. Well, that's how you fix a broken garage door for 17 bucks. Way better than the damn $250 or whatever it costs for a brand new one. Alrighty. Thank you for watching.